Pardon me? Excuse me. Oh, no Not now, Steve.
This is Sam Sparks live from Chew and Swallow, where the spaghetti twister.
Whoa, Sam, hey! We love a good storm over here, but you look like a nerd.
Patrick, several children are stranded in the path of this tomato tornado. My tummy hurts.
Down! Yikes! What is that, a scrunchie? I haven't seen one of those since 1995.
We have an actual weather emergency.
Oh, well, we'll get right back to that storm, and hopefully Sam will look a little more appealing. Steve, we just have to upload the kill code and then we'll shut down the... Oh, what are you doing here?
I've been up here ordering dinner for the last 10 minutes. Why? Was something going on?
I'm trying to stop the machine. Everyone's in danger because of me.
Oh, it can't be that bad. I'm out of here.
I can still stop the order with the kill code. Sending kill code.
I'm back.